Hello, everybody. I hope you will be fine. So today we are talking with terminal trading. So basically, I use uh, Go charting. By the way, not sponsored Go charting. So I use this Go charting, fastball, in trading views. Like other one is MT5. So what is the best one? What's the best side of Soul to use? Well, in Go charting, I have faced some problem like this. So by the way, I have to upload video in fastball. Sorry, we have to select our pair. So let's go. Once I select this fab, there's some problem with me. The fib is not showing like this. So by the way, the reason I use this fastball. So in trading, I don't have a premium plan, so I have to use it. First of all, this is all the same system. Like uh, this is all the same system. This is all the same system like trading wheel, go charting, passport. But MD5 is a little bit changed because there's some how to execute the trade. I don't like indicators, so I have to off this, but I need to uh, understand this. So by the way, I have to select some pair like that. Search in this. Like I have to trade in USD, GBPUSD, okay? GBP USD. So this is the pair I have to select it because I like this pair. This is my favorite one pair because look at the fluctuation. Look at the upcoming trend. It's just like a single candle. Just one single hour. You need to do what? You need to go to the 1 day time frame and watch this. Is that upside trend? Is that upside trend? We don't have to say this upside trend because we have to inside go to the weekly chart and we know about this. Should know this. It is currently in the downside. GBP USD in the downside because how to watch it is a little bit bullish. This week is in the bullish because there is some sign that Stevenson pattern to recognize the bullish pattern. We see again in the this is the sweep of liquidity as we see a sweep of liquidity, right? The liquidity sweep to the down. This is the real market structure. This is the real market structure where the like what I gonna show you that this is like the mm, order block, right? This is the order block. So the last candle is like the order block. This is the last candle for the bullish. For the open, I have to draw the open and go for it. Look at this, guys. Just for it. Market is run just through it. Why I select this area? Why not this? This is the main question I have to tell you. What is the reason? Man, my friend, I have to upload this video on my YouTube just now. So, uh, we see the reason I select this pattern because of this. This is in this line. There is bullish, like bullish order block, and also the breaker block in this area. The reason this is too much strong, I'm gonna show you this. This is the last candle. For example, just a downside trend, again up, again down. So you need to consider that in this area that this is last. This is like the order block, and this is the order block, breaker block in these situations. This also the breaker block from uh, that low. In it. The market didn't touch it. The market didn't touch it because there's a lot of order block in this zone. But we look at the nearly zone. What is the nearly zone? This is like the nearly zone. This is the nearly zone. So we have selected market reverse for that exact point. This is just for a short-term trend like this. Market move and again down like this. This is like when the market is from that open. The market is just rally up. So this is not only the case that we have to trade. We have want more things, more tools like this Fibonacci. The institute trade with just this fib. They not use support resistance. The retail things they just use support. First, we need to do what? We have this is likely a one side trend. It's like the downside trend, like this break of structure, this break of structure, again break of structure is again gonna be doing for the downside, but before the downside they go for a little bit in the upside like this because of this pattern. You know, this is one week. I don't analyze in one week for just for your knowledge. I have to take it. What is against of the trend? So this is the trend, just likely the short-term trend in the upside. So what is against of the trend? This is against of the trend. 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 We have to look at against of the trend. First, I have to draw a fib. I have to remove the horizontal line just for a while. Oh my god. Yes. It's a lot of colors. I have to go to the settings of fib. Okay. Go to the settings of each of his colors. Alright. Oh wait. Why? Because I don't like colors. Pardon me. I don't like colors. What is the reason of this? Yes. No. Yes, yes, this must be better. Yes. What I'm talking about. Yeah. Now I have to watch this. How does it look? It look good? Look good? No. We have to off some something. Why? Oh my god. I don't click on the confirm for that reason. It didn't show. I don't click on the confirm. You have to off this. Just for, why did it's like okay, okay, a little bit. So I have to do it. This is for okay, it's pretty good. What the of this? All I need to do off, then I will place the label. You will see the golden labels like to trade where the institutions trade that type of labels. So we also trade in the institutions. We know we are not too much good at the trading level, so we have to trade in the institution, buy in the institution, sell in the institutions. We have to predict every single move in the market. This is what I have to do. Uh, zero, okay, okay, one, zero, one. Where's the mouse? Okay, and after that, so I have to. Oh, it's okay. After that, what I have to place is okay. I think 0.62. No, how to place 1.27, 1.2. I have to place 1.62. Maybe good. 62 and oh 1 point now 1 point 60. Okay, 2. How to place 2? Simple. Maybe good. And then I have to place uh, OTE like 0.705. This must be the greatest level. Why didn't place it? How to place this, man? 0.705. This must be the OTE. So again, 62%, 62, and 78, 78. Okay. So otherwise, I will off this all the of this, of this, and of this. Maybe good. Background. Okay. Uh, I think this is not a line. I want lines. Okay. Again, the settings. I need a line, man. This is what I have to need. Click the background. Click on the zero. Okay. Again, have to do like full 100%, 100%, 100%. Okay. All I need to do this. Hold on. I have some mistake, but I don't even use this terminal. Will fastbull.com. I don't want to sponsor it, but I have some problem in Go charting was for that reason I have to click on confirm. Okay, we got it. We got it. Institutional levels. Pretty good. Wow. So it's too much rush. I need to do it. My eyes like a little bit confusing. I have to do something. Oh, the video is 13 minutes. It's gonna be 14. Oh, I have to do something else now. You have to place your faith like against of the trend, as I say before, that this is the upside trend, a little upside trend. You have to place your faith against of the trend. For example, this is against of the trend. Place from that high to that low, to that low. This is against of the trend. Okay, market's going. How to expand it? Okay. Forget about these levels, these three levels. Just focus on this. I have brought to that high, to that low. Markets want to touch and reject these levels, right? I have to zoom in. Oh, I don't place in the right way. Just from that high to that low, that low. Okay. Just 1.62% retracement level. Market reject. If they reject, we will go for a 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. If they reject from the same line, we don't have to we have to sell it, right? This is what we have to do. We have to sell it. It didn't touch. Again, we have to place against of the trend. This is like we place from that high to that low. Now we place from that high to that low. This is also against of the trend. So this is likely the trend is gonna be changed. You have to place in every single nearly to the target. To that high to that low. As you see, the 1.62% market again reverse rejected, reverse. Again, we have placed in this level. Once we have to go into the downside, we understand. Look at this. From just that high, again the market rally up. You have to do what? Nothing. Just follow this instruction. Have to give you. All the institutionals trading this. Wow, look at this. Oh, this is not a magic, guys. This is not. I repeat, this is not a magic. But the real thing is market follow this from that high to that low. Just from this, market is reverse. This is what I call. That's what I trade, man. That's what ICT teach you in a thousands of hours. That is a genuine thing. Look at this, just from that high market reverse. But what more thing that institutions will do is institution what do in this fib? Institution just like place this fib like this. They they want to look for the five labels. What I mean by that, the five label. For example, this is the round number. So where's the round number? I have to find something like big round number. This is random thing. Uh-huh. I'm so close to the round number. Yeah, this is the round number. I have to. Yes, it is. I have to place with just round number. How to place? Yes. Wow. And how to place? Uh, from that high. Look at this. That's just that high. What is what is that high? I need to first know about what is that high. So this high show will in this is the high, this candle. So it high is 1.32656. So this is 1.32. This is I'm talking about this 1.32646, the exact high of this. Okay. So I mean it means will be good from just that high. It reverse. It reverse. I repeat, this is not a magic. This is like the trend change into the downside. Have to take our entry the downside. This is like extra confirmation from that just there that zone. We draw like a horizontal line and forget about this. Now zoom in, zoom in. This is the level we have to draw this, and now we delete this. This is what or just high we trade in the downside. This weekly chart. So again, we have expanded in just that high. You know what? This is a breaker block. This is extra confirmations. This is also breaker block, and also the like this is like a gap from that candle to that candle. This gap. Look at the gap. It didn't go above the gap. They go downside. So this gap is more important. So I have to look for the rectangles. Where are the shapes? Rectangles, rectangles. So we find our rectangles. This is our rectangles, right? So how to draw from that? Open that. How to expand it? You need to do what? You didn't go about that rectangles. So this is first confirmations, and the second one is this or breaker block. These labels. This is the second confirmations. Okay, how to color this? Uh, red because of this. This is the horizontal, like the last red candle. When they touch, like just for this label, the Fibonacci labels, they will go to the downside. So I have to open this again, again. I have to open this. So we want to look for 1 day. So this is have to place like little bit, low like this. Okay, this will be good. So I have to place it and go for the 1 day time frame. So this was a weekly time frame. I don't analyze in the weekly, but just for my confirmations, I have to do it. 1 day, finally 1 day time frame. In 1 day, there's again something like this. How to analyze it from that high to that low. You want to do what? This is again the 62% retracement level. Just for retrace it and go back. Retrace it, go back. This is 62%. I have to expand it, guys. I'd expand it. Look at this. This is just the ABC Forex have to do it from that level. Again, we have to do what? Inside of this. From that high to that low. Uh-huh. Look at this. From the high to that low. That is too much close. It means this level is too much strongest levels. Again. No, that is enough. Last one. We do with the last one. From that high, the one will be in the high. This zero will be in the low. Okay. So Okay, and again close to the high. But the most close thing is very will be very powerful. Again, I will draw in the most recent, the most for example, this is I will go more inside of this for just like 4 hour. How to go for the 4 hour? It's all right. I'll zoom out. I have to select this. Again, this is the same situations. Have to expand because we have to do our stop loss too much smaller. You know, we want this or stop loss will be too much smaller. Again, I have to. This is the recent high or recent low against of the trend, against of the trend. Again, look at this. Just from that high. Look at this. This is the level where I talk about. Again, we have to that low, to that high, to that low. To expand. Oh, shit. Against of the trend. Just close to this. Just close of this. And this is what I teach you. This from that high to that low. From that high to that low. No. What I have to teach you. More valuable thing. Okay. From that high to that low. So expand more. From just going to the 1.27 level. This is what happened. The trend is more down to the downside and touch the OTE pattern, the 0.76. You have to take the trade for 1 day, hold on for 1 day, and this is what the successful trade happened. All right. This again against of the trend from that high to that low will be again for this. Right. This is like the 1 day time frame, too much big, not too much, a lot of big time frame, but in the uh, in the case of scalping, it will be big time frame. In the case of daily time frame, in the case of day trading, it will be big time frame. So just that high to that low, this against of the trend again we see this downside move to this downside move. Wow, too much downside. Look at this just for that I did go for the reason. You also can you also can take OTE entry, just like you have to take when you have to take OTE entry, reverse it. When you have to take OTE entry, I mean optimal trade entry, you have to reverse it and forget about this downside label 1.27, 1.62, and 2 because we have to take OTE entry. For example, we have to take the OTE entry. So forget about the downside labels. So reverse it from that high to that low. For example, you missed that move for the upside. So it will be back. Now it is back. We have to take our entry from the golden zone. This is the golden zone. When they retrace it, so it is not touch, but it is, we have to take entry inside of this block. This is the block. This is the block. So this is the bullish. This is the block, This is the last candle block. Have to take our entry with just that label. Have to expand entry like in the short-term time frame. For example, we have to go for the for the little bit time frame and take our entry like for 1 hour, for 5 minutes. We have to arrange that same thing we do it in this time frame. We have to take our entry. Stop loss will be 10 pips or 20 pips. So bye bye. I will be soon in the next video, my friend. Have to do it in the small time frame because the video is too much long. I have to upload the video. I don't like editing, right? So if you understand my language, if you don't understand, you can turn on the captions, right? So good luck and good trading.